What is SOURCE?
Central Washington University's annual symposium on university research and creative expression.
What's at SOURCE?
Lots of exciting and interesting presentations, performances, and other creative works by university students, faculty, and staff.
Why should I go to SOURCE?
It's a fun way to see the incredible talent and learn about the amazing discoveries being made at Central. And it's free and open to everyone. We'll see you there.